what's up guys, I'm back with a new video. Okay, I'm back with a new video and welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm going to show you how you can make more than $250 easily just by using Google Maps. I'm gonna give you all details and show you how you can do it and make money from it with zero experience. Okay, but before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll stay informed and notified when I put a new video. Okay, now let's get started. So what we are gonna do here is I'm gonna show you how you can get money from Google Maps with this method. Well, this method, it should be super easy, and with this method you should be able to make around $250 and even more with zero skills. Yes, zero skills. You don't need any skills to do that, and I'm gonna show you what you should do. Okay, so first of all, what you should know is now we have Google Maps. So what we will have to do is to search for a business, for a type of business. For example, we can search for fitness clubs, or we can search for restaurants. Okay, we will search for businesses that needs ads to grow. Okay, because traffic is the heart of any business. There are businesses out there that they need this. They need this to grow and to have more clients and to have more profits. And here it comes your role. So what we are gonna do right now in this example, I'm gonna search fitness clubs in Miami. Okay, so I already did my research, so I'm gonna do this again. So I'm gonna type fitness club in Miami. I already did that. Okay, let's go what we have here in the search bar. We have a lot of them here, as you see. We have a lot of them. Okay, so when you see what you see on this list is some of them, those two, they have the ad label here, which means that they are already advertised. So we are not gonna advertise something that is already advertised. We are gonna search for something that is not advertised and make it appear in the first or the second page in Google or Bing. It depends on the type of advertising that you want to do. Okay, so right now I'm gonna search for one of them. So there are a lot of them. If you're in a sport fitness club downtown Miami, Solbox Fitness Club, Equinas South Beach, Flamingo South Beach Athletic. Okay, so I'm gonna choose that one, Flamingo South Beach Athletic. Okay, when I choose this one, I see a lot of informations here, but I don't need all of these informations. All I need from this is the website. Okay, so right now I have the website. What I'm gonna do right now is to visit this one. Okay, I already did here, and what I see is the website. Here is how it looks like. It looks like that. Well, it looks like that. It's nothing fancy. It's okay for me. Right now what we should do is to see if we have any possibility to contact them. And when you click the menu, you see home, floor plans, photos, amenities, locations, pets, these info, map, and contact us. Okay, contact us. When you click and contact us, so this is a way to contact them. What you should do here is to fill in the blank cases over here, and this is the important case. You should send a message. Okay, in this message, in this place, you will have to send a message to inform the business owner that you want to advertise his business. Okay, in this place right here, what we should do right now is to use the exact keyword that we used in Google Map in Google. Okay, what we will do right now is searching if there is any ads on it on the first or the second page. What I mean by ads is this label, this little label over here. If you see ad, then you should just walk away and search for something else. Okay, so what's the name of this club? It's Flamingo Bowling Center. Let's see if there is Flamingo if this one is here. Okay, I'm searching. Now there are a lot of them, but I didn't see Flamingo Center Point here. This is the second page in Google. Get fit while having fun. Normandy Gym, Rich Gym Midtown Miami. Okay, there are a lot of them, but I didn't see it. I didn't see it. Okay, it's not here. It's not here. It's not here. Okay, so I searched in the first and in the second page, but I didn't find it. I used this word and I didn't find any adverts in Google. So guys, what will we do right now? Well, I'm not going to search all Google for this fitness club to see if it's advertised or not. That's not a good tip. Okay, so let's visit a website. Let's visit this website and contact them. Okay, but before that, we have to make sure that this website is not advertised at all. Okay, this will increase our chance to get in contact with them and to get them to accept our offer to get advertised in Google. Okay, so what we will gonna do right now is to copy the link right here. Okay, not here, sorry, the main URL, which is flamingo-southbeach.com, and put it in this website, which is SEMrush. So this website that is called SEMrush will give us all the information that we will need to know whether or not this fitness club is already advertised or not. So what we will have to do is to go to overview right here, okay, and paste the URL that you already copied. Okay, so I already did that. So the main place here, or what we should know is, when you see paid search right here, you see 0%. It means that this fitness club is not advertised anywhere. It's not advertised at all, which means that this fitness, it needs more traffic to get more clients and also to get more and more profits. Okay, so once you've seen that the paid search here is 0%, it means that you have a higher chance to get in contact with them and to convince them to accept your offer. Okay, so what we will do right now, once we found that 0% is in paid search, we will have to go to the website and ask them to accept our offer. Okay, why? Because they need traffic, because as I said before, traffic is the heart of any business. And here it comes your role. Okay, here it comes your role is to drive traffic to this business. Okay, now I know that you're gonna say that you already said that it doesn't need any skills to do that. Okay, already said that. Now what we will have to do is to visit this website and search for a way to contact them. We already did that. I already showed you that there is a way to contact them. You will have to send them a message and to ask them to accept your offer to promote their business in the first page or the second page of Google to get more traffic. But as I said before, I know that you're gonna say that you said before that it doesn't need any skills, and right now I'm asking you to make advertising and you don't know how to make advertising. Well, what you should know right now, you will play a third party between this business and the advertiser. You're not going to advertise this yourself. You're just a third party. You just make an offer, and when this business accepting your offer, you're going to hire an advertiser, okay, and the advertiser will do the work for you. So what will you do right now? What you should do right now is to make the offer, for example, with $300, okay, and you will go to Fiverr. Why Fiverr? I will explain you why. Because if this business wants to promote, if this fitness club wants to promote its business and to get more traffic, more clients, they will have to get a service section in their business that will cost them a lot of money, and a lot of businesses they cannot afford that. If not, they will have to hire a professional advertiser or professional marketer, which is also expensive. So the third solution is where it comes your role. Okay, you will have to benefit from the competition out there. The competition out there, which is in Fiverr. And Fiverr is the best place for you. Why? Because it is a lot of competition, and there are a lot of sellers out there that are willing to give you their services for a good and a very good price. Now let's get through it, and I will show you how you can do this. I already did my research. Okay, you will have to go here in Fiverr and search for Google AdWords campaigns. Press search. Okay, now it's searching. I think there is a problem with my internet. Okay, it's searching right now. Yeah, apparently there is a problem with my internet. I will have to fix that. Okay, so it's searching right now. It's waiting. It's taking too long. Oh my god. This is taking too long. Oh, come on, you're embarrassing me. Okay, so now you see that there are a lot of sellers out there. Some of them are starting at $275, which is, this is too much. This is so expensive as a beginning. What will you do is to go with this one. Okay, I suggest this one. It is a good one. I already used this. I already used his services, and he's really good. Okay, so this is the basic one. You're just going to go with the basic. Okay, with this one he will create the banner for you. He will do all the work for you. You don't have to create the banner itself and give the banner for him to advertise it in Google. No, he will do everything for you with $55. Okay, so what will you do is to go to Flamingo South Beach, and where's the website? Go here in menu, click in menu, contact us. Okay, and here you will send them a message. If they accepted your offer, they will have to pay you first. Okay, they will have to pay you first. We'll make, for example, a PayPal invoice or something like that. They will have to pay you, for example, $300. You will go here to Fiverr. You will pay this one. The delivery days is 15 days for the delivery. This is the delay. Okay, this is the delay of this service. It will take 15 days to complete. Okay, so what you should know is this is not $250 one time. It's $250 per month. Why? Because if the business or your clients is satisfied with the results, he will have to pay you a monthly fee with $300 every time he wants to keep his business, or to keep his his business or his project or his ad on the first page or the second page on Google. So it's not easy to push the ad in the first or the second page in Google. It is really hard. Yes, it is really hard, and some companies are willing to pay even more than that, even $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000. But as a beginning, you can start with that, and you can improve yourself by time. Okay, so just remember, baby steps. You cannot just come today and become professional. It doesn't work like that. Okay guys, so this is a good way to make money using Google Maps. I wish that you won't be like the majority of people that are going to watch this video and go away without doing the work. If you're just going to watch this video and go away, I think it's better for you to go watch an animation or watch a movie. Okay, because this is an educational video. I'm trying to share my informations with you. I'm trying to share something with you so that you can change your life. So don't watch this video and go to see another thing and not doing the work. At least try to do it. At least try to do it. It's really worth it. I swear it's really worth it. You will love it. Okay guys, so this is all for this video, and as I said before, remember to press the subscribe button and to hit the notification bell if you love this content. Okay, there are a lot of content that is coming after this one. So this is all for today. I wish you a good day and peace out.